Okay, so here is all of our Makita deals that are going on right now for Black Friday here at Home Depot as part of the Home Depot Black Friday sale. So the way it works, it's very similar to a lot of the other buy one get one tool deals. And they're kind of generous as DeWalt was this. You have two different kits here that you buy this kit and you can choose any one of these tools for free. It's buy one, get one free. But they also have that bottom kit, which is a little more if you're willing to up the ante there. You can get 2 free tools out of this list.
Okay, now the way you'll do this online is we'll give you the link that takes you right into this section here from Makita. So all you're going to do is come in here and you're going to choose one of these 3 kits to do your buy one get ones, and then you can also do the shop all up here, but we'll have that link as well.
And that's sort of what I did with DeWalt, because here's DeWalt next door, right next door here, and you can see they've got the $3.99 a 4-tool atomic kit, and that's what I did. I bought the atomic kit, which you can see right down here on the ground here. See, there's your 4-tool atomic kit. I bought that kit for $3.99 and chose 2 free tools. So I picked the router and the jigsaw, since they're the 2 most expensive tools. $1.99 for the jigsaw, and I believe $1.99 for the router as well. If you choose this one kit up here for $199, that has the 2-pack of the batteries. That's basically your starter kit. That's your 5 amp hour starter kit. If you buy that, then you can choose one of these tools free. Okay, and we'll put links to all of this down in the video description below for you. That way you can take you directly into them. Sometimes it's really hard to find these online, and you know, sometimes the stock runs low in the stores and you come into the store and you're not going to find it. So anyway, and also I just wanted to remind you that when we put those links down below, whether it be to Amazon or Home Depot, that's part of our affiliate program that we signed up to. And we get paid if you purchase tools or products or anything through those links. That's what helps support our channel, and we thank you so much for your support and thinking of us and ordering tools through those links. So, but the reason why we're going to put those down there too is it takes you directly into each one of these separate sales, because it's really hard to search and find them exactly on the website. Covered the battery starter kit there. After the starter kit, they have that brushless hammer, the impact, and that's the 2-tool combo. So you get the brushless hammer drill with the impact driver and 2 4.0 amp hour batteries on that kit right there. So if you buy that for $249, again, you get to choose one of these tools here for free. And then again, like I mentioned, if you buy that kit on the bottom there, that's a little bit more. That's the brushless hammer drill impact driver kit with 2 5.0 amp hour batteries. So if you buy that kit, then you get to choose 2 of these free tools. And then don't forget, on top of buying that, see that middle kit there for $249? On top of buying that for $249 here, you can see it's already at a $30 discount off the normal price. So you're getting a $30 break on this kit, and then you're getting to choose one of those tools, the other tools, for free, which are right here. And again, I usually tell people, look, pick the most expensive tool. Get the router, or here's a multi-tool that you can choose from. There's a grinder you can choose from. There's your recip saw that you can choose from. And out here they actually have the other battery packs here. In addition to these buy one get one deals from Makita, what they've got here is they've got some special buys on certain kits and battery packs. So for example, you can see right up there, see that 3 battery pack right here? Here's your LXT 3.0 amp hour batteries. You got 3 of them for $149. And then down here they got this massive 6-piece toolkit for $299. Now you compare this one to the DeWalt version, $499 for a 6-piece tool set, although it does have some pretty incredible tools in it. So this was one of those other special buy deals. Essentially what Makita did here for you was they created 3-tier categories of toolkits for you. So $99 for those on a real tight budget, $149 if you got a little more money to spend, and if you're flush with cash, then you would come and get, you know, the 6-tool kit to here that I just showed. As part of that higher tier category, this is your 2-pack of 6.0 amp hour batteries, and that's $179. So here is your 2 $99 kits. So what you're getting here is you can choose whether you want to get the impact driver or the drill driver. So you got a 1/2-inch drill driver, and these are both kits. So each kit comes with a 3 amp hour battery and a charger and the bag. See, all of that for $99. Now that's a pretty decent deal to get because usually the batteries alone can cost that much money. And then here's more of the kits here that are in the $149 range. So one of them is that impact wrench. Here's your 1/2-inch square drive impact wrench right there. So he's $149. Or you can also get the 2-tool combo here. So you get the drill driver, and you also have the impact driver. And these both come with 1.5 amp hour batteries in the charger and the bag at that price. And so, by the way, they're indicating on here that this kit used to be $179.
Okay, so now take a look at this. Now, I showed this a few weeks ago, and some people said, oh, that's not a price glitch, but I think this is a price glitch. So take a look. Let me show you this one. Okay, so coming back up to the main search here on Makita, I'm looking at this subcompact kit. See this one here for $199? So if you add this to the cart, like I've done here, I want to show you something here. We're going to come in here and look at the cart because we've also added a 2 amp hour Makita battery. So with this same kit that was $199, you can see that by adding the 2 amp hour battery in there, the glitch here appears to be that it drops the price down to $137.50 for the kit, and then you're getting the battery for $61.50. So in total, you're paying still the same $199 over here, but you can see you're actually getting $318 worth of tools. So this might be another one you'd want to consider. If you want to do the hack on this one, what some people do is they buy this whole kit for $199, they return the battery, and you'll get back $61.50. See, this is the maximum amount they'll give you back for the battery. That means you only paid $137.50 for this 2-piece combo kit right here. So that's what some people go through. To me, that's a lot of effort, but I know a lot of people do this with the hacks. They buy them, they return the battery, and get the kit. But you can see why this is a pretty good deal here, worth mentioning. So as you can see, we come back to the main page now for this subcompact. Remember, this is the subcompact. You can see that since I showed that video a couple of weeks ago, they have now incorporated it into the Makita buy one, get one tool free deal. So you can come in here and select your battery there, see? So there it is, and let's go check out the cart. Let's add it to the cart, add both, and go back in and check the cart again. So here you can see it's right back to the same deal again. So it appears, even though this was not on the poster there on the wall, this seems to be like an undocumented deal that they didn't make any fanfare about. So I just wanted to let you know, like if you were looking for a subcompact, you can still get that buy one get one deal with this, but it looks like this one only includes the battery. You can't get anything else other than the battery on this particular deal. So all you're going to do is come in here and you're going to choose one of these 3 kits to do your buy one get ones, and then you can also do the shop all up here, but we'll have that link as well. But if you choose this one, this will take you right into the battery starter kit. So there's how you would get started, and then you would choose one of your free tools right here after you select that one. And then let's say you wanted the other kit instead of the battery starter kit. Let's say you wanted this other kit for $249. So then you would do the same thing with this, and here you would select your free gift. And to do that, you have to come over here to this orange arrow, click the arrow, and that pops out all the free tools. So let's say you wanted the jigsaw, then you'll click that and then say add both to the cart up here, and that will put both of them into the shopping cart for you. So here you can see your total is going to come to $249, and up here they've taken off $159. How? By making the jigsaw free, because that's the cost of the jigsaw. Now if you look up here, you can see $97.04 for the jigsaw and $151.96 for the combo kit. Now if you wanted to do the hack, let's say you wanted to return the 2-tool combo kit, that would mean they'd give you back $151, and you would end up paying $97 for the jigsaw. So that's pretty much how most of these deals work. Then the third kit is this one, if you chose the $3.99 kit. And what they've done, it looks like they've already populated the different free tool versions that you could get along with this kit. There's your 2 tools. So you just pick which one of those versions you want. And it looks to me like there's a lot of different combos that they don't have on the shelf at the store. So you have plenty to choose from there. Okay, now one other thing that's going on too is, so you can see Makita has here this LXT. This is the 36 volt brushless 7 1/4 inch circular saw. They got this kit. This is a massive box for this kit, okay, for the saw. But they've reduced the price of it $100 down to $249. See that right there. And then also on the subcompact 2-piece, which I showed you earlier, I meant to point out too that this was $229 before, and they've dropped it down to $199. And then we're going to hook you up with this Shop All link that takes you into other different categories of deals that they have from Makita that you probably were not aware of. So they have a 25 off deal going, they have a tool accessory deal going, and they have that free battery 2-pack when you buy the certain circular saw. And then we'll also show you some of the outdoor power equipment deals. Okay, so we'll make a special link to this because there's basically 872 results that most people don't know about here, with the $25 off of a $100 spend. So let's say we just wanted to choose this particular saw, and let's add it to the cart and see what it does. So here it is right here. So the discount was applied directly to it in the cart. So those are a lot that a lot of people were unaware of. Okay, so we'll also show you this one here too. This is the cut the cord promotion that they're doing with certain circular saws. So they have this deal here where you can get a free 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries. All right, and we'll make sure we have a link going to this deal below for you as well. So there's your 2 5 amp hour batteries there. But basically the way this works is if you grab any one of these, so now when you land on the page here for this saw, what you're supposed to do, see, this is part of that deal, is now you select these here as your buy one get one free, like that. And let's select the item down here. So now we have both of them there. Let's go back, add them both to the cart, and now let's go view the cart. So here you can see the batteries are free, and I like the way they're spreading this out because this means you could do the hack on it if you wanted to and bring the 2 batteries back, and that way your whole circular saw kit was only $151 instead of the $249 sale price. And remember, this saw is already $100 off anyway because they normally charge $349 right here, if you see that. Okay, so now looking in OPE, we can see there's not a whole lot here. Just like the other tool companies, there really wasn't anything much on sale for Black Friday, but they do have a couple of special buys on these 2 blowers here on the left and on the right. But at least this one on the right is one of those tools where you can get $25 off. Let me double check if we go into it. So at least on the blower you can get $25 off in your shopping cart as soon as you put it in. So I guess that is a pretty decent deal there. And then we'll also provide you with this Makita Shop All link, which is going to list for you all of the different tool deals here from Makita, all of the current best tool deals. Okay, so we will put the final list of all of these items that we've talked about in the video description below for you. And that should complete this tour of all of the Makita tool deals. So anyway, I hope you found this video useful so far, and if you have, hey, would you do us a favor? Give us a thumbs up down below. That tells us that you like us. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, all I can say is, man, why haven't you? You see here on our videos tab here, all of the different videos we have for you in different categories. You know, we cover all sorts of tool reviews where we do exhaustive drop testing of our items under test here to give you the best tool reviews out there. And we also give you all sorts of remodeling in your homes and your bathrooms and all of your kitchen remodeling in all sorts of tiling projects and flooring projects. And we show you how to get out of some really bad engineering disasters. And we have all sorts of construction tips for you as well. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure you click that subscribe button down below there. And when you do that, click the little gray bell icon next to it. That tells YouTube to alert you every time we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this week, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you on the next one.